Hey guys, it's Lekko1234 and she has a special news report. We are doing a update. So let's get on with it. Graham's Observatory. Do you like to tinker and invent? Are you fascinated by figuring out how things work? Are the gears in your head always turning? If so, then Jamal's newest stand is for you. Pick up Graham's Observatory and you can okay. Let me just start over. Pick up Graham's Observatory and you can know what it's like to live a life as the sometimes scatterbrained but generally genius Monkey Alpha. They have a great time with words. Pet koalas. Koalas have been in Jamal for years, but some jammers have wished for smaller, more adorable versions of these maleficent and majestic marsupials. Look no farther, jammers. Pet koalas have come to Jamal. Adopt one of Jamal's newest pets today. My mom here in the background is just laughing because of how many tongue twisters there are, and I'm failing on all of them. I am not good at this. Jamal Day and Jamal Day. Okay, so I'm half asleep right now. So hey guys, it's Jamal Day, it's Jamal. My mom is just like dying in the bathroom. I cannot talk today. I almost said bathroom when I meant background. Oh my gosh, you guys should see my mom right now. She's like my mom's just like, she can't breathe. Okay, Jamala days in July. If you're looking for a way to beat the summer heat, be sure to check out your party list on July 24th to the 25th. And if you don't know by now, today's the 24th. Yeah, guys, it starts today. We heard a rumor that Jamal Day Jim, Jamal's wonderful winter party, might show up. This cool party is filled with awesome items, pet reindeer, and totally snowy fun. My mom's laughing so hard now. Tiki Trouble. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of SpongeBob, where they're just like, tiki tiki. Ooh, ah, tiki tiki. It's like there's a SpongeBob episode and it's like Squidward's Paradise. Ooh, ah, tiki tiki. Travy, the dolphin alpha, has traveled down the location of 3 legendary pearls that, if the stories are true, have the power to drive the phantoms from Jamal oceans. There only is one problem. They're on an island guarded by the ancient Tiki statues. Explore the island, find the Tiki statues, and reclaim the pearls in this fun new adventure that's for all jammers. Okay, guys, this is for all jammers. Probably be doing a gameplay of it. Yes, I'm still playing. My gosh. Coming soon, the photo of the new animal that's featured in the last Jamal journal caused a stir among readers. Fortunately, the jammer who took it was able to get better in focus shot. See, there's a gecko. That looks like a gecko. They showed this. They did not show that. They're trying to stir us up thinking that it's a gecko, but really it was a flamingo. Oh, thank you, Animal Jam. As you can see, the alphas have brought back a new Hearthstone, and flamingos will soon be available in Jamal. Mystical armor. Mystical armor, the incredible sparkly armor set has returned to the Diamond Shop. Pick up yours today. I think I have all of it. Pretty sure. On August 3rd, auditors. I know how to say it. On August 3rd, the otters of Jamal will begin their travels. Be sure to become one of these amazing animals while you can. Aww, I love otters. Animal Jam backpacks. Whether playing, learning, or exploring, the new Animal Jam lunchbox and backpacks will help you ready for any summer adventure. Okay, so for me, I only have like 2 weeks left of summer, so I'm so sad. I don't want summer to be end. Check out all this cool Animal Jam gear at ToysRUs.com and at the Toys R Us stores near you. So they also had a weekend special, and I got everything from it. So here, search from right here, and there, you saw it all. Okay, and then this is what the clothing items were. And one thing that I thought was really cool that they did is, if you had a hard time, like I did, trying to find a rare item Monday, well, you just look back here. Look! It's the extra salty rare popcorn. It's huzzah! But that'll be all for this video. Thank you. Goodbye.